Hello everyone, welcome back to our SAP Enterprise Content Management by OpenText solution. So today we are going to discuss a new use case, that is job transfer process from an OpenText point of view. So now let's see how does it look like in a system point of view. So let me go there. Job transfer process, use case number 12. Let's move on. So let me go to the system. So let me log in as an HRBP to SuccessFactor. And what you have to do, the use case is like this. So you, as an HRBP, Tessa Walker, she will relocate an employee to a new work location by modifying the organization information in SuccessFactor. And also she will be creating a confirmation document that will be saved whenever you are corresponding to the employee workspace. Okay. So how she is doing that, let's see. Okay, we will navigate to those options. How the Tessa Walker HRBP will be doing that. So she will be searching for the employee Pauline Fournier. So she has to go for action options, and from there, so she has to change the job and compensation info. So what are the changes you would like to do? So she will be doing there. So in case if it is a job information change or a transfer, and she would like to change within effective from a particular date. So let's say it's 25th of November, and after that, you change whatever is required, the location change. Suppose it's a transfer, right? So she has to change the location, and the rest of the information will remain the same. Now, what she has to do, she has to go to the employee's workspace, okay? And for that, she has to go to the employee file. For employee file, again, she will change to Pauline's profile page, right? So she has to go there. So now she has to go for her OpenText employee workspace, if you can see that, for this employee. Now in this, she has to go to the location change thing, right? And after the document has been already created, it is saved. You can see that all those details. Okay, so this is a typical process how in any case of any kind of a transfer is happening, if you want to generate such kind of a letter, transfer letter, or any kind of a letter you would like to create, especially for that process, you can always do that using OpenText. Okay, so that was the very simple use case so we have talked about. In the next session, we'll be talking about the HR termination process. That will be the 13th number use case, especially for OpenText. Okay, so see you soon. If you missed any of my previous videos, stay tuned using go to my YouTube channel, Niladri Bihari Nayak, and you can always watch those series of, there are 500 plus videos at present in my series, including both your platform as well as YouTube. And if you want to have a session, one-on-one session, or a group session, coaching session, or mentoring session, you can always choose a membership under school.successlabsacademy.com. Right. So with that note, I will stop here. And in the next session, we're talking about the HR termination process. Thank you for joining in. Stay tuned.